Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dipen from Pune, and at my backdrop you can see the new Xplorer for NS200 from Autologue Design. So in a while I'll take you through the setup, what all has been done on the bike, what all comes along with it, and what will be the approximate pricing for it. So let's begin.
When the night was closing in, I was alone and so afraid. Couldn't see the light, no. Then my world began to spin. Where's the beginning and where's my omega? Had to make it right. Oh yeah, there's a moment when you know that every teardrop has to go. They be piling up inside.
For all the cinematic shots about the bike. Now let me begin and show you what all comes in the bike as the Xplorer kit. Now all these parts you can also get individually. If you don't want the full Xplorer kit, you can ask Autologue to send you the specific parts you want. So beginning with the visor, you'll get this Xplorer kit visor. Then you have the fender. Third, you'll get this tank shroud. Okay, so this is the main part for the Xplorer, which redefines the bike's complete looks, and everything is bolt on. You don't need to remove any old parts or something, just few nuts and bolts you need to remove and you'll be able to fix the kit. So the actual kit, it starts from here, the main tank shroud, and this is the complete part. Once I go back to Autologue in their premises, I'll show you a bare unpainted part for how this part looks and what are the mount points. So again, one mount point is here. It's pretty easy to install, and there are two over here. Okay, so not much of a headache to install. Then you're also going to get a belly. Now this is the first gen NS200. It is, I think, way back from 2013. The bike belongs to Suraj Giri. Unka my Instagram handle I'll leave it in the video description. So if you have questions regarding the bike, how it's performing or the kit is performing and all, so you can ask him. Of course, he has not yet taken the bike home. It is still here after the bike was prepared last week. It is still here at Autologue because a few things are pending. For example, the first gen NS200 it did not have a proper belly. I mean, the mounts are different from the current generation and the old generation. So what Autologue has done is to fit that belly. Okay, you need to have the stock mounts from the latest generation of NS200. You need to buy that from Bajaj, and then you will be able to fit this belly. So Autologue has given certain mounts, but it won't fit on the older generation NS200 straight away. You need to have the latest generation wala NS200 ka mounts. Okay, जो stock belly बैठता है, you need to have that mounts, जिसपे the part on which the stock belly fits, you need to have those mounts. And then with Autologue's kit, you can install this new belly on it. Of course, it won't be hanging around like this. Right now, for photo purposes and for video purposes, we've just attached it with zip ties and all. So visor is installed with 4 brackets. This 4 brackets will also come in the visor kit. If you purchase the visor individually, you'll get this four frames, 4 putties, 4 brackets, 1, 2, 3 and 4 along with the visor. And it is visor is, that's the new drone being tested. Sorry for the drone shot in between. Mukul and his friend is testing out a new drone that they've made, custom drone. So at Autologue, some or the other fun is always happening around. That's why I like to stay around here. A lot of new things to learn, a lot of new things to see. So yeah, we were talking about the brackets, the headlamp one, the visor one. So this visor will come with 5 parts, the 4 brackets and the visor. Then you have the front fender. It's quite small and looks nice. Now Giribhai has removed the front fender of his bike. If you want, you can retain it. Okay. Then you have, so that is 1, 2. Then you have the 2 tank shrouds and the belly. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 main FRP panels and 4 brackets that you'll get. Now graphics, all what you see on this bike, they're all at additional cost. They'll cost you somewhere around 3,000 rupees as of today. Okay. I leave links to Autologue details, Autologue Design, so you can get the latest pricing from them whenever you plan to purchase. You can ping them on Instagram or their website. Also, this might be listed on their website too, so you can see the costings there too. थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बताने को, आपको जो किट में है, आपको वाइजर मिलेगा, उसके 4 ब्रैकेट्स मिलेंगे, एक फेंडर मिलेगा आगे का, 2 टैंक श्राउड्स मिलेंगे लेफ्ट और राइट के, और एक बेली मिलेगा. ग्राफिक्स जो है वो एडिशनल रहेंगे, कॉस्ट उसका 3000 रहेगा ग्राफिक्स का. एंड स्टॉक पेंट आपको गाड़ी पे आपको पैनल्स पे मार के मिलेंगे. इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट द होल बाइक पेंटेड, यू कैन ऑफ कोर्स कम टू Autologue, ड्रॉप योर बाइक हियर एंड गेट द कोड्स फ्रॉम देम. So guys, these are the unfinished parts. They are still unpainted. So this one is the belly, this one is the front fender, and these are the 2 tank shrouds. Visor यहाँ पे नहीं है अभी. So ऐसे एक 5-6 पार्ट्स FRP में रहेंगे. आपको आपके बाइक का जो बेस कलर है, इट विल बी पेंटेड इन दैट. बेस कलर में पेंट करके मिलेगा. जो भी आपका बाइक का कलर है, येलो रहेगा तो येलो, ब्लैक रहेगा तो ब्लैक, ब्लू रहेगा तो ब्लू. आपको वो कलर बताना है Autologue को बुकिंग करते समय. Yeah guys, I think that's it from my side for this NS Xplorer kit. And if you have any questions regarding this, please do let me know. Put them in the comments and I'll try to answer them. And if I don't have any answers, I'll get them from the Autologue team. Thanks for watching. This is Dipen from Pune.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leaving.